Hey guys, here's another video for you. Today we're going to show you how to remove this default lock screen password from your Samsung A36. Alright, take out your SIM card and your memory card, because this procedure will erase everything that's stored in its memory. If you also need to unlock your email or your Google account, get in touch with me. My number will be there. Or you can also leave your question in the video description, or rather in the video comments, right? Better said. So let's get started, guys. Connect the cable quickly, connect the cable, and at the same time you can leave it on this emergency screen here. Press volume down and power together. When it restarts, release only the volume down and keep holding the volume up. When the Samsung name appears on the screen, just keep holding the power and continue holding the volume button. Alright, I'll do it here to make it easier for you. Let's go. Volume down and power. Hold them. The device, goodbye. And let's wait just a few more seconds. Just a few more seconds. Release volume down, press volume up. The device has already restarted. Now pay attention to the screen. Let's wait a few more seconds until it appears. The name. Keep holding, release the power button and keep holding the volume button up here. Keep holding until the recovery mode appears. This is the recovery mode. Disconnect the cable. Remember, this procedure also works for other Samsung models. Now, go down by pressing the volume down button to this option here, where it says wipe data factory reset, then confirm with the power button, which is the on-off button. Go down again and confirm once more. Let's wait for this process to finish, and once it does, confirm here. Once again, you'll see, just wait a little bit and the device will restart. There won't be any more passwords, no email, no PIN, or rather no screen lock password. No password, no PIN, no screen pattern. Alright everyone? If you have indeed set a screen lock and subsequently forgotten it, or if you find yourself in the situation where you urgently need to unlock your email account or your Google account, please do not hesitate to get in touch with me. My contact information will be readily available there, so feel free to leave your comment and we will certainly talk and carefully see how I can effectively help you, especially if this video helped you. If you're able to, within your means, make a contribution to our channel, our pics will also be in the video description. And it doesn't matter what the amount is, what's important is your help, your support, your gratitude. Alright, in a moment, but it will turn on. You can see that it's already unlocked, now you just need to set it up as usual. Alright, thanks, take care, see you next time.